with every bite. When it is the festive time, people do a lot of things, especially with the children. And today we're going to make the same thing with French fries. We're going to make a Santa Claus, and you can do all these wonderful things at home, and especially this will be a great bonding experience with your kids. Hello, Namaste, Salam Alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back to another session with your Vahchef at whatever.com. And today we're going to make Santa Claus French fries, especially for the Christmas, and kids will just love it because throughout the week we have parties. So these potatoes, what I am using are starchy potatoes. The potatoes what you normally use for cooking are waxy potatoes, and you cannot use them for French fries. Even if you fry them, they will not be crispy. These starchy potatoes, a big story. So I am going to actually post the video which we have posted earlier in a very quick format, so you understand what are used for French fries. After which I am going to show you how to make the Santa Claus French fries. We are going to use tomato ketchup and mayonnaise and make it really good. I am going to show you three kinds of French fries. One is the plain one, which we always, the salted ones. You can add salt with water into the oil. The other one is when after you double fry, sprinkle some salt. Other one is, the now peri kind of masalas. Kids are just loving them. So you can make them very easily. I am going to show you how to make a very simple one. And the third one is the simple chaat masala ones. First, you need to understand what kind of potatoes you can use to make French fries. I have already talked about it when I made the chips, but I just want to make sure whoever is watching this video will also understand. You cannot make French fries or chips with the regular potatoes that are sold in the Indian market. These potatoes are waxy potatoes. For making French fries or chips, they are separate potatoes which are starchy potatoes. The starchy potatoes, when you peel them, they are a little bit white, and these waxy potatoes are a little bit yellow. The thing is, these starchy potatoes are the ones they use for making chips. So once you understand this, whenever you bring potatoes, if they are slightly whitish inside, then you can always use them for frying. You want to make any of those crunchy potatoes, always bring these starchy potatoes. These waxy potatoes are good for making kurma and all that. But if you use these starchy potatoes for making kurma, you will make the curry and the potato will be breaking into pieces. Starchy potatoes, when you boil them, you look at this, these are boiled, and you press them, they become like powder. How dry and powdery they become. When your potatoes become like this, these are the best for frying, so that you get that nice crispy texture. I've got these shiny potatoes, these are not good, so let's get rid of them. So all you need to do is cut them into nice sizes. They are slightly off, but that's fine. When you're making at home, you don't need to make them perfectly or anything. But if you want to cut them, all of them even sizes, some of the trimming extra loss will be there. There are two ways you can fry these French fries. One is using the hot water method, and other one is directly in the oil. Whatever, the often suggested one is cut them and put it in some cold water. After that, drop them into hot water. We're going to blanch them for around 4 minutes or so. We're going to let the water come to a boil, and then we're going to remove it off. This is one way of doing. I'm going to have some of the pieces which I'm going to do direct oil method, and we're going to see the difference. Slight the color of these potatoes will change, and also blanching, stop any discoloration, means the oxidization, it will stop, and do not fry it for long. I think around 3 minutes was good enough in hot water, and spread it on a towel so that they dry out. When you get these potatoes, you buy them, a lot of them, and if you want to freeze them, all you need to do is give them a splash fry and then freeze it. I have blanched them, drop them in the hot oil. Do not fry for long, just for a few seconds. They are slightly fried. You will not see much difference than this or the blanched ones. But once you fry like this, then you put in a Ziploc and put in the freezer, and you can use them anytime, and kids will thoroughly enjoy them. These ones are blanched, so I'm going to fry them till they are nice and golden. 4 or 5 minutes of frying, these are getting nice and crispy. But you want the edges to be slightly colored. You do not want the entire fries to be brown or anything. Just a little bit like this, and then you're good to go. The edges are getting nice and crispy. I want them to be fried little more. The fries are almost done. The best way, because the salt that they use is not the regular salt, add some salt and water together, and then just pour it on this, and they will get very nicely perfect. Sprinkle a little bit, This is one way of doing it, and the fries will be absolutely tasty. This is single fry method. The ones what I boiled and blanched, that one are also here. Instead of freezing, I'm going to fry it now. Look at them. They are nicely, I just got little bit golden color, yet they are nice and crunchy. And look at the color. They are absolutely fantastic. We do double fry. So here I have fried once and I'm going to fry them again. So you will see the difference how they are. The way they get the color is different. These ones will get the color much more easier because once they are fried and they are removed, and again we are frying them. Once you fry them, when they are looking nice and white, remove them, and then we're going to put it in the hot oil again. So this one will give the crunch what you find at the fast food centers. So double frying is very good, especially for the French fries which you have blanched. These ones added in the hot oil again. Just fry them till they are nice and golden, and they will be perfect. So once you fry them like this, they will come out very crunchy. Wow. If you make these French fries at home, I don't think you will ever eat out. They are absolutely perfect. The French fries are getting fried here, and kids love that peri-peri kind of powders which are nice masaladar and tangy. So here I've got some bakery chili. In this we're going to use some citric acid. So you can also add tamarind and all that. And in this we're going to add some citric acid, add some sugar, add some mixed herbs, some ginger powder, rock salt. Blend this into a fine powder, and then we're going to use it as a spice for our French fries. When this is all powdered, you will get the nice spicy tangy kind of powder. So this one, you have to adjust. If you want to add some other spices to it, you can. It's got that punch. Good. It is a little bit of sweet, sorry kind of thing. These fries are not blanched. What I did is I just cut them from the cold water. I double fried them. Just sprinkle a little bit of tangy masala powder. As I told you, you can always mix up even something else. The fries are nice and crunchy. So each one of them, you take it. It's coated with a nice tangy flavor, and kids just love these kind of ones. You want fries that are just salted. You want the fries which we made like a peri-peri kind of dressing. And these are nice katta mita and perfect. And even or else the chaat masala ones. I know kids who eat the plain salted ones, they may not like this, but grown-ups who are used to this Indian chaat masala, they will start liking this. Dear friends, this is all done, ready to enjoy. The French fries are easy to make, and you can see how crunchy the noise they make. So dear friends, all the three kinds of French fries are ready here. So this is that nice peri-peri kind of style. They are little tangy because of the citric acid, spicy because of the chili powder, and a little bit of sweetness because of sugar, but they are perfect. Recently I made chips for my son. I made one sweet masala, and he said that is the best chips ever he has eaten. You have to find what your family loves the most. And these are the plain ones, and these ones are with the chaat masala. We have taken a nice board where we are going to serve our French fries. We have given a border with royal icing. We added a little bit of dark color and we did the lining, and now we are going to fill it with tomato ketchup, mayonnaise and French fries and make it like a French fries Santa Claus. We are going to fill the red parts with the tomato ketchup and the white parts with the mayonnaise, and we will have this beautiful Santa Claus done. And you can do these activities with your children, and they will also enjoy doing all these things. So once this is all filled up, I am telling you, your Santa Claus will look wonderful. Just fill it, because anyway the kids will jump, swipe off all the ketchup. Now I have got this mayonnaise. Do the same thing wherever it is white, fill it up with mayo and make it look funny and creative. And in fact, you should let the kids do this thing. A mayonnaise dot for the eye, putting royal icing for the teeth, the bright white teeth. Wow. And you can also put it for your eyebrows. You can even use the mayonnaise, but a little bit of sweet touch will make it really, really good. Don't worry, just make it look good. Now, we're going to assemble the chips, but I'm going to show you. You got to take ketchup and mayonnaise, mix it and give him a very nice pink face. Pinky, 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 pinky face. What I did is I took mayonnaise, tomato ketchup, and it also becomes a cocktail sauce. Basically, have fun while doing all this. Make a face, just give it a nice pink texture and keep doing it, and when this is all filled, you will have a very nice beautiful face. You want to use regular chips, french fries, whatever, you can fill it up the beard. So just arrange. When kids come, when they see this, they don't care if the french fries are hot or not. They just get happy looking at these things. When we were in the 5-star hotels, especially for the New Year's, we can never get vacation for the last 20 days. You know, from December 15th onwards, we can't get vacation. When you guys are all vacationing, we are the ones who work hard to make everybody's life happy with a little bit of artwork. So get your kids involved like this at home, and they will have fun, and these things they will remember forever. So let's finish this beard. Add the french fries all around and complete the face. You know, let it have some colors, let it have, you know, any design, it doesn't matter. The winking Santa Claus is ready. Let's bring in the kids. Okay, I won't be the kid, but let's have fun. When you do it right, the Santa Claus will be saying, hello, hello. I think that guy is blinking. Look at that. Santa french fries are ready. Have fun and let's eat it. You want tomato ketchup? Swipe in the red guy. Surprisingly, they taste better than the regular french fries. Dear friends, you know how to make french fries? The Santa face will be turning totally different. All I tell you is, make these things. Make kids part of all this fun. And when you eat them, you got to say, Vareva. Keep cooking. Keep enjoying great food. We're going to do a lot of these kind of things during this Christmas and festive season. And we're going to make a lot of New Year snacks. Keep watching. Keep saying Vareva with every bite. Watch another Wow Magic with Chef Money.